We are introducing dollar system technique for lumbar spine surgery for use from T11 vertebra to the sacrum. This system has 2 instrument trays and 1 tray containing a surgical-grade titanium poly and monoaxial implant set with diameter of 5.5, 6.5 and 7.5 mm and length from 35 to 50 mm. The patient position on the operating table should allow a complete support of the thorax. The approach to the posterior midline is the most used because it easily enables decompressive procedures and osteotomies. In the previously indicated entry point, an incision to the pedicle is prepared with puncture instrument, introducing it approximately 10 mm. The probe is inserted through the hole made to mark the screw orientation and to exploit the vertebra internal zone. The pedicle screw chosen is properly positioned in the initial wrench. The pedicle screw initial wrench is a quick hitching type and 2 different handle types can be used depending on the surgeon's preference. Pedicle screw is a self-centering with self-tapping tip and no direction is needed as it will penetrate the pedicle through the hole previously made. Pedicle screw is completely inserted within pedicle, calculating, according to measures previously taken, between 2/3 and 3/4 inside the vertebral body in order to not exceed the posterior cortical, since different blood vessels and nerve ducts are crossing through this area. The bar is malleable and it can be curved following the pedicle screw placement in order to provide the proper form to the desired spinal outline. To obtain the desired outline, bar handling should be gradually performed to ensure a better effort distribution. This is achieved by a bar folding machine and thanks to its double curve radio. The compression procedure is irregularly used and it is also used for the necessity of alignment because of the risk of foramen closure and nerve root compression. The distraction procedure increases the spine physiological kyphosis and caution should be used for the spine axis correction procedures. The compression and distraction clamps allow enough space for use of the system opening and closure wrench, keeping the distraction or compression and fixing the system. For more information on this and other techniques, please visit our website arst.com.